Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration on how to reset the limits on a BMW power window. This particular car I'm working with here today is a 1997 BMW 540i. Typically, this is needed when the window only moves part way or reopens on its own. The window's limits need to be reset in order for the window to operate correctly. This procedure applies to BMWs equipped with the One Touch feature. The key will need to be in the accessories position so the window can function. Select any window which has the issue, press and hold the window button until it's fully open. Keep the button depressed for about 15 seconds after that window has fully opened. Release the button. Now do the same for closing the window. Press and hold the button, then wait until about 15 seconds after it's fully closed, and then release. And it's as simple as that. You are done setting the window limits. New videos are released every week on my channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking on the button below the video. This concludes the rest of my video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, please feel free to post them. Thank you for watching.